Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this fresh trade that we just got in. This is a 2020 Bennington 20-foot fish boat. Great pontoon, guys. Full 25-inch diameter pontoon logs, docking lights. It's black paneling, rigid paneling in color. 10-foot Bimini top, powered by a Yamaha 90 horsepower 4-stroke with only 300 freshwater hours. Let's take a look at the back. All right, guys, taking a look at the back of the boat. You'll see you've got a nice single bifold ladder here with a nice starboard side entry onto your deck. Perfect for boarding, hanging out, and swimming. Let's come aboard. Welcome aboard the 20-foot fish, guys. This is a great little boat. Whether you're just cruising or fishing, it's set up to do everything. You'll see it's got the 3-post seat layout with the L-shaped lounge. Got a nice bench seat up front. Taking a look at the very front, you'll see it's got the half gate with the canvas here, so you can add a trolling motor if you'd like to. Your trolling motor battery goes here, and here's your plug for your trolling motor. You've got several live wells on this boat, guys. Here's your first one right here up front. Nice live well, recirculating with additional cup holders. You've got another live well right here in front of the helm with bait storage buckets as well. So it works as additional storage or a live well, however you prefer to use it. You've got the changing station on this boat. Storage underneath all these seats right here. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see this boat's equipped with your mechanical gauges for your trim, your RPMs, and your fuel gauge, as well as the Garmin Striker depth finder. You've got the kicker stereo with 4 speakers. Additional USBs and 12-volt direct current plug-ins. Boat comes with a 10-foot Bimini top, covers this whole area nicely. Back here is your location for your battery, and then of course an additional fishing chair in the back. Great boat, guys. For more information, please give us a call or stop by your Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you.